Just a few days ago, Grok AI pulled the plug on all its free features. Suddenly, generating images and videos weren't free anymore. This sparked chaos among AI creators. Many even stopped uploading. Because now, Grok comes with a $30 monthly price tag, and not everyone can afford that, and most people aren't paying for that. But what if I tell you that now you can generate unlimited images and videos from Grok like before? In this video, I am going to show you how you use Grok AI completely for free and unlimitedly. So, you just pay very close attention and now without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys already know, if you go to Grok AI and try to generate a video from it, it will show you that you will have to take a subscription of Super Grok for $30. So instead of using Grok AI directly, you need to head over to the Gemini Gen. So just click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID, and you will land here. After signing up, at the top here you will see that you will get 40 free credits. And now, let's see some exciting features. Come to the pricing from here, and you can see that I am on a free plan right now. Come down a little, and you will see that you are getting Grok 3 free to generate videos. And apart from that, when you scroll more down, you will see that you have VEO 3.1 and VEO 3.1 Fast are also free. In image models, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Image Info, all these services are also free. You will not have to spend a single credit, no matter how many videos you make. Now let's come to the studio from up there, and let's generate our content from here. By the way, you will get a lot of options here: chat with AI, video gen, image gen, speech. You can also generate text-to-speech here. Let's start with video gen. Click on it, and you will direct here. When we come down here, you will see all your video models here: VEO, Sora, Grok, Meta, Byte, and Kling. You can clearly see that in front of Grok and VEO 3, it is written free, while the other models are not free, so we will not go on that. We can only use Grok and VEO. Apart from this, there are two more options: extend and remove watermark. We will use them later. Here just click on Grok and come down. Now here you will see, it is giving you the Grok 3 model. And look here, it is free. Beside that, you will see an image reference option. If you want to generate a video by giving a reference of an image, then you can give it here. Then it's generation mode here. Whenever you generate directly from Grok, it used to give you options like crazy, spicy, etc. So let's keep it normal or custom. Let's make it custom. And below here you have a prompt box to paste your prompt, whatever you want to generate. I am pasting this prompt. After entering the prompt, let's come down. Choose your aspect ratio from here and you have different options available as you found in the Grok. I am selecting 16:9. After that, let's select the resolution. You can even use 720p because it is also free. Now about duration, you need to keep one thing in mind, that you can't generate a 10 seconds long clip. You can only generate 6 seconds clips in duration. Otherwise, it will give an error that you will have to take the paid one. And after these all settings, you can see here that it is clearly written that this generation will cost 0 credits. That means we can literally use Grok for free and unlimitedly without even using our 40 free credits. That is the amazing part of this tool. Now let's just click generate. And here our first video is ready. Let's play it.
Sometimes, all we need is a moment to breathe and find our inner peace.
The video quality is great, the same quality that Grok was giving. And the most shocking part here is that you can see your credits are still 40. Not a single credit is used. That means you can literally use Grok AI for free and unlimitedly using this tool. And you can generate videos like this all day. Now I will show you one more amazing thing: advanced settings. Clear the prompt box. Now here you see in the prompt box, you get two options: basic and advanced. In basic, you paste your prompt and generate. In advanced, you can do more detailed control. This thing was not available in Grok earlier. Here you can describe your video step by step: subject, action, environment, lighting, time of day, etc. So for such detailed prompts, I use ChatGPT. I asked it to generate a video prompt including the main subject, action, environment, time of the day, visual style, camera shot, and additional details. Now it gives multiple detailed prompts. What I do is copy each section and paste it into the respective fields: main subject, action, etc. Now all the details are filled. Set aspect ratio, resolution, and duration. Then generate. Now our video is ready. It looks very real and amazing. Using this method, you can create unlimited videos. And after generating 2 clips, I still have 40 out of 40 credits that I got on sign up. So yeah, this is how you can use Grok AI unlimitedly and still for free using this amazing AI tool Gemini Gen. And yeah, that is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.